Hey guys, welcome back to Adele DIY. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the RecovaPro Lite, which just released and they so kindly gifted to me. Now without further ado, let's get into it. One thing that I didn't even realize when I was unboxing this is this little mat, which is super great for keeping your massage gun and the heads organized because it has little spaces for each of the heads and then a big space for your massage gun. Before I move into testing out this massage gun, I thought we'd compare it to one that I already own, the Theragun Mini. For starters, this massage gun is $175 compared to $200, and this one has a wider range of pulses per minute. It actually has 5 different increments compared to 3. And this one ranges from 1500 to 2800. Meanwhile, the Theragun Mini only ranges from 1700 to 2400. They both have a battery life of 2.5 hours and weigh about 1.5 pounds. Although this one comes with 4 different attachments and this Theragun Mini only comes with 1. Another thing that some people will find really interesting is that this one actually has Bluetooth connectivity, so it will connect directly to your phone, but the Theragun Mini does not. Only the higher end models of the Theragun have this Bluetooth connectivity option, but they also are at much higher price points. And if you want more information about this Theragun Mini, you should go watch my last video, which is linked in the description box below. Okay, now let's get into trying these different heads out. I have actually had very sore hamstrings this week and very sore feet, so I'm very excited to test out this massage gun. When I first turned on this massage gun, I realized that it is very quiet, which is great for talking to people or watching television, and you can be multitasking pretty easily. Now let's go ahead and actually try it out. It's definitely doing its job and it's definitely working through the muscles, and I like that the lowest speed is pretty gentle because especially on places like your hamstring or your calves, they can be super ticklish and really hard to massage out with a massage gun. So I really like how gentle this can be. But as you turn up to the higher levels, it does progressively get stronger and more powerful and can work through tighter knots. Another thing to mention is that the stall force, or how much weight you can put on this until it stops working, is 50 pounds, which is significantly higher than Theragun Minis, which is only 20 pounds. But that's never really been an issue for me, but for you it might be. I just switched out the head from the round foam ball into this, what it's called a bullet, and it's just a thinner head with a tapered edge. And I'm going to be using this to massage out my feet, so let's see how it works. This massage head is really good for getting to smaller places like your foot, and it's doing a really good job at working through the arch. However, it is a little bit pointy for my liking, so it kind of feels more like stabbing than I personally would like. But you might like that. I don't know. This is just my personal opinion. Now I'm going to be trying out the fork to see if it feels less pokey and more gentle. Already this one feels a lot better. It's definitely narrower and isn't as tapered at the edge, which is making it feel a lot better. I really like using this on either side of the heel of my foot because it just perfectly shapes it. I just referred to the manual and it actually says that this flat head is best for your hamstrings and your quads, so I'm going to go ahead and try it out opposed to the round ball. I agree. This is definitely better. I feel like it's targeting the muscle more accurately, and it's definitely not tickling as much as the ball was, which is good. As for my final thoughts, I do really like the RecovaPro massage gun, and on paper, they seem pretty much comparable to the Theragun Mini. But when you do get to feel them, you can tell the Theragun is definitely more high quality and the materials feel smoother and more velvety. Meanwhile, this one doesn't feel as high quality, but it still does the job really well. It has multiple heads, it has different speeds, and overall, it's a pretty good product. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to give it a like and comment down below. Also, hit that big red subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. See you guys next week. Bye guys! Mwah.